happened to your favorite series? Are filming going on? Does the project make the semi-finale or full finale? This question is being asked by fans of Turkish TV series right now. There is no much hope left for some Turkish TV series on television screens, but the rating competition is fierce. The reactions of the regulars of some TV shows also bring different ways. With great efforts, long efforts and preparatory processes, the Turkish TV series unfortunately cannot meet the cost with their rating. When they reach a point where they cannot meet the cost, they also bring the channels to the final decision. As a result of the latest explanations, we've discussed 6 Turkish series for you, whose final decision has been finalized. Now let's take a look at these productions. Number 1. Hakimolu. Hakimolu was a production that started with great hopes on the Kanal D screen. However, the low ratings of this Turkish TV series in the second season turned the accounts upside down. The series, which is an adaptation of House MD, which attracted a lot of attention in the USA, started to have a complicated process in terms of ratings. If Hakimolu was on another channel, it might not have taken that long. The final decision has been made for this series, which aired 43rd episode this week and will end in episode 50. Only 7 episodes to go. The continuation of Hakimolu, who is barely standing for the second season, was an unpredictable situation with these ratings. But the fans of this Turkish series did not agree with the final decision, and a rising call began on social media to continue it on digital platforms. Number 2. Romo. Show TV made quick decision about the finale of this season. An unexpected decision has come about the Ramo Turkish TV series. Ramo, starring Isra Bilcik and Murat Yildirim, started last season. The story, which started in Adana, moved to Istanbul at the beginning of new season. But when the ratings did not satisfy the channel, the ticket for the drama was cut. This sudden decision recently fell backstage. Journalist Bersin announced that the Turkish series would be final in 5 episodes. A 2-year agreement was made for the Ramo Turkish TV series, which continues in its second season. It turned out that the series prepared by BKM will not continue in the 3rd season. The ratings have gone well in the recent weeks, but these good ratings have not changed the fact that the series will say goodbye to the screen before the festival. Number 3. Default. Show TV's final decision for Default Turkish series also caused controversy. It turned out that this Turkish series would make the last because it was damaged after the falling ratings. With the 30th episode of Fall series after 2 episodes, it will say goodbye to its audience by making a final. Tolga and Ayka Aysin fans revealed the injustice of the Fault end while rival series continue to broadcast with lower ratings. Number 4. Damn. It was learned that Damn Turkish TV series, which was screened on Fox TV with Feyyaz Duman and Biran Damla in the lead roles, will make the final, while the series decisions, who have been below expected for a while, upset the followers of this Turkish series. It has also emerged how many episodes will say goodbye to the screen. Journalist Bersin announced the Turkish TV series final news, which aired 33rd episode this week on her Twitter account. It is stated that series will make a final in 39th episode after 6 episodes. Number 5. I Waited for You Too. Özkan Deniz and İrem played the leading roles, and the final decision came from the Turkish series I Waited for You. The series, signed by TNZ Film and Sakala Production, began to appear on the screen after a long preparation process. The shooting of this Turkish series, which started in Erzincan and went to Qatar for first episode scenes, was given ambitious title and waited with great curiosity. Journalist Bersin announced the final decision for Star TV's I Waited for You Too. It was learned that the 10th episode of the series, which will broadcast tonight, will make the final in the 13th episode. I Waited for You Too last week, with its 9th episode, finished 9th in the EU. But apart from that, it was not able to enter the top 10 in other categories. Number 6. The Pit. The failure of a very influential Turkish series such as The Pit, which was broadcast on Show TV and brought many famous names to the continue in the 5th season, was a great loss for both fans and Show TV. If the series could be progressed in some way, the audience was ready in the 5th season. However, the final decision has already been made, and while some of the series actors are leaving, some have also made new project deals. The news that The Pit will end at the end of May was announced a while ago. The countdown has also begun for The Pit, one of the Turkish phenomenon series on the screen. What projects will you see in this television season? You'll learn more about this in our next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.